is our annual Hazel Park Firefighter Charity Fund bowling function that we have, event that we have. So every year we do it. We raise money for our charity fund, which every year it goes towards different types of things. We like to help residents in need, anybody that reaches out for us, if they have a charity they want us to help them with. If we have someone that lost a lot in a house fire and they need something, we like to be able to help provide something for them if we can. Any GoFundMe that we come across that firefighters that are in need, we like to donate to them as well. So basically our charity fund just covers a whole bunch of different things, and this is the one chance that we get to actually raise money and stock our charity fund up for the year.
I'm hoping to win the TV. That'd be a good one, right? A friend of our neighborhood is ex-chief of Hazel Park, so really good to support him.
Oh, it's just camaraderie. It's just camaraderie, I think. I love we're all here. I haven't been to this event before COVID was the last one we had. So we're all excited, and we're so happy we're here.
Our community is what's most important. Without our community, our fire department, our police departments, and all the other departments in our city will not survive with community support.
This is a great event, and just showing a little support for the team here.
I love our firefighters. They've helped my family out quite a bit the past 2 years. I sponsored a lane because I love that they go out for our city and do everything they can for us. So
I'm pleased to be here. I'm having a great time. I encourage everybody to participate in this event next year. Thanks. If you follow us on Facebook, we put these events up there. If you just wanted to donate, you can come on over to the station. We accept donations all the time. Just specify that you want to donate to the Hazel Park Firefighter Charity Fund.